On this video, we're gonna do the Ingoma song by Xolisa Kwinana. Ingoma, right? I'm gonna do the play along, and then from there, I'm gonna break down the song for you in the simplest form, right? All right, let's start this. Alright, let's break down the song, right? First, he starts here. Okay, start from 1, 5. Right, so it's gonna start from 1, 5, 1, right? 4. Then go back to 1 again. 5, 1. So you're gonna be using your 1, your 5, 1, 3. You're gonna be using 3 keys basically. So this is the simplest progression. And then remember, on your left, on your left hand, playing 1 key at a time, and then on the right hand is 3 keys, right? And then they go along, right? So you start from 1, 5. Every time when you are moving from 5, right, before you go to 4, you need to pass first there by 1, right? You start at 1, come to 5, then you go to 1, go to 4, go to 1 again before you go to 5, right? So that's how you're going to be playing the entire Ingoma. And now when it gets to You start at 4, right? 4, then you go to 1, right? Or you can come to 3. You can come to, on your left hand, you're going to be playing. So you're going to start from 4. On the left hand, you're going to 5. On the right hand, you're playing 1. But on the left hand, you're playing 5, right? So it's going to be. See? So on my left, on my right hand, I'm playing 1. But on my left hand, I'm playing 5, right? So we start from 4. But the right hand is going to 5. Then I go to 1. Then again, when you're singing that part, that's what you're playing.